What is up, you guys? It's Fabian from the Janssen Journal, and right now we are back in the Netherlands. We had a great time in Dubai. Right now I need to spend some months here in the Netherlands and then I'm going on another trip. Right now we are in Oirschot. This is a place in the province of North Brabant, and right now there is something really cool that I never knew existed. So right now I am on the heat, as you can see. I will show you. And this just looks like a normal heat, right? But there is something special about this heat, because over there on that side there is a barrack, which is active for military right now. And they made some special thing right over here near the pole, I think, but you can only see it from the sky. So what they made here are trenches. But not just trenches to train, they actually made trenches for peace. So it sounds kind of weird, but what they did is they digged out the sign for peace in the trenches. So you can't see it from down here, but up in the sky it's another view. Okay, so normally you are able to walk over there and you can walk in the trenches, but as you can see, it has been raining a lot here in the Netherlands, like the last couple of weeks, months maybe. It has been raining like almost non-stop. Right now the sun is shining, so let's hope spring will bring some good weather. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe. And also give it a thumbs up, because it motivates me to make more videos.